Welcome aboard the Emotion Express, where we embark on a journey through the colorful spectrum of human feelings. From the highs of happiness to the lows of sadness, emotions paint the canvas of our lives in vibrant hues of joy, love, anger, and everything in between. Are you ready to hop on board and navigate the roller coaster of emotions with us? Let's dive into the heart of our feelings and embrace the beauty of being human. Our journey begins with the warm glow of happiness, a feeling that lights up our hearts and fills us with joy. Spells out H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S-S, happiness. Can you feel the sunshine on your face and the laughter bubbling up from within? Demonstrate smiling, happiness. Let's bask in the simple pleasures of life and spread happiness wherever we go with acts of kindness and love. Next, we navigate the stormy seas of sadness, a feeling that washes over us like a gentle rain, cleansing and healing our souls. Spells out S-A-D-N-E-S-S, sadness. Can you feel the tears welling up in your eyes and the weight of the world on your shoulders? Sadness. Let's honor our feelings of sadness and find solace in the comfort of loved ones as we weather life's storms together. Now, let's explore the fiery intensity of anger, a feeling that fuels our passion and ignites our resolve in the face of injustice. Spells out A-N-G-E-R, anger. Can you feel the heat rising in your chest and the fire burning in your eyes? Anger. Let's harness the power of our anger for positive change and stand up for what's right with courage and conviction. Moving on to the chilling embrace of fear, a feeling that sends shivers down our spine and sets our hearts racing with anticipation. Spells out F-E-A-R, fear. Can you feel the adrenaline coursing through your veins and the hairs standing on end? Fear. Let's confront our fears head-on and find the strength to overcome obstacles and chase our dreams with unwavering determination.